Hello traders, this is a daily forecast on dollar yen. Today is Thursday, October 14. This video is brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please check our website for more information about our company. You will find plenty of interesting tools that help you in your analysis. As well, you will find lots of educational materials, online courses and articles, and all information on trading conditions. We have one of the best spreads in the market, and our spread on Eurodollar is below 0.1 pip most of the time. So let's start our analysis. I'm going to use winners and losers. It's my favorite tool, and it really helps me to understand what is happening in the market, which currencies are the strongest and the weakest. So each currency is compared with a basket of 8 currencies. And by doing so, we have clear tendencies and understanding of which currencies are strong and weak. So I'm going to use the second widget on this website. It's called Currency Strength. It's also available independently on a separate page. But here on this page, you can see both tools at the same time. And here, let's pay attention to how the dollar and the yen perform in relation to each other and also in relation to other currencies. So here we can see that the US dollar is currently the weakest currency over the last 24 hours. It lost 0.5%. The Japanese yen is the second weakest currency. It lost 0.35%. You can see the tendency of the red line, and the green line is the US dollar. So we saw a sharp reversal of the US dollar yesterday, and currently we have a really strong negative momentum on the US dollar. So as both currencies are really weak, I don't really see good opportunities on this currency pair in general. Even if we check higher timeframes, for example, we can check 1 week, we can see that the Japanese yen was actually much weaker. However, it can be really overstretched and maybe it's just oversold. At the same time, the US dollar is just starting to weaken. It became the second weakest currency yesterday. And so far, it has really a lot of potential to go down much further. So let's check the situation on the technical charts. I'm going to start with a weekly chart, just so that we see the global picture where we are. So in my opinion, there is still potential for the upside movement, and the first potential target is 114.60. So however, right now we're in between two levels, 112.20 and 114.60. So in my opinion, we still, according to the weekly time frame, we still have a lot of potential to move much higher. Let's check the situation on the daily time frame. Here, just to remind you, we were in this upward channel. We broke the upper band and we moved much higher. So recently, I recommended you long positions on this currency pair. However, in my opinion, long positions are no longer favorable because the momentum on the US dollar is really weak. Yesterday, I recommended you positions from 113, 113.20. So in this case, I would remind you that probably it's not a really good idea to buy this currency pair from the current levels. It would be better to wait for a much stronger, a deeper correction on this currency pair. In my opinion, substantial levels would be probably 112.60, maybe even lower. One potential area is this daily channel that we saw on the daily time frame. In case if we return back to those levels, like 112.60, I think here that would be a good level to consider long positions. Another opportunity is 112.20. Here we had also very strong daily level. So in my opinion, if we have a correction till these levels, we can really consider positions on this currency pair. So let me draw those scenarios on the chart. So first of all, I would like to show you potential trading range for today. In my opinion, it might look really like this because we still have some weakness behind the Japanese yen. So in my opinion, this currency pair will be in a balance in some way. Potentially, of course, some correction may start on the Japanese yen because it's really oversold in relation to the market. However, only in case if we have much deeper correction till the level 112.60, 112.20. This area would be a really interesting area to consider long positions. So our recommendation would be like this. And before that, I think the best strategy would be to wait and see, or to look opportunities on some other currency pairs. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give us your thumb ups and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss the following videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a nice day.